This motorcycle flies and shoots video while it does. Why choose between an RC bike and a drone when you can have both in one wild package? Meet the HHDH6, a shape-shifting toy that transforms from a ground racing motorcycle into a flying drone in seconds. Its wheels double as propellers, snapping into flight mode with just a few quick moves. But it doesn't stop there. The H6 also features a built-in camera that streams real-time video straight to your phone via Wi-Fi. Think sharp images are impossible on a moving drone? Not with this one. It can hover mid-air, reducing shake and keeping footage clear. Control it with a remote or your phone. You'll get 8 minutes of flight time or 15 minutes on the ground, with a range of up to 50 meters, all for around $57. Now, if you're more into robot battles than flight, check out Ganker, a combat-ready bot built for multiplayer fun. Customize weapons, upgrade armor, and control it via a smartphone app. The fights are safe. Hits are detected by sensors, not actual impact. It's strategy, skill, and coding, all rolled into one epic toy. One Ganker costs about $400. Playtime just got a serious upgrade. Meet the robot spider that can code, see, and learn. What looks like a toy but teaches you to code and thinks on its feet. Say hello to Spider Pie from Highwonder, a 6-legged robot with a brain. This high-tech crawler isn't just for fun. It's packed with a high-resolution camera that tracks colors and follows objects in real time. It even uses ultrasonic sensors to detect and avoid obstacles, making it surprisingly smart for its size. But here's where it really shines. Spider Pie is a hands-on tool for learning programming. Whether you're just starting out or diving into advanced code, you can program it to pull off unique moves, follow visual paths, or complete custom tasks. It's all about creativity, logic, and exploration. Ideal for curious minds, students, and hobbyists alike, Spider Pie blends robotics, AI, and play into one powerful package. And with endless ways to personalize its behavior through coding, it's a gadget that keeps evolving with you. Price tag? $580. Knowledge and fun? Limitless. This RC toy transforms on the move, and kids can't get enough. Meet the Terra-Sect rolling lizard, part car, part rolling wheel, and fully built for non-stop action. At first glance, it looks like your average RC toy. But flip a switch, and it transforms on the go. In upright mode, it drives like a sleek remote control car. But when it bends, it rolls like a tire, crushing obstacles, tackling stairs, and spinning with style. No coding, no learning curve, just pure, fast-paced fun. It's built to entertain restless kids and replaces the need for multiple toys in one clever design. Perfect for indoor mayhem or backyard adventures, the Terra-Sect keeps kids engaged and off screens. And with a starting price of just $18, it's surprisingly affordable. Simple, dynamic, and wildly entertaining. This is the kind of chaos kids will love. Ready to battle your friends with a fighting robot? Meet Ganker. This isn't just a toy, it's your personal battle bot built for head-to-head action. Ganker, by Oz Robotics, brings robot fighting into the hands of everyday players. It's designed for multiplayer fun, letting you go toe-to-toe with friends in epic robot showdowns. Control it easily with your smartphone through an intuitive app. Customize your Ganker with unique weapons and armor to match your battle style. Want to take it further? Advanced users can program special moves and commands using simple coding, making each robot one of a kind. Don't worry about damage. Ganker fights are safe. Robots hit using touch sensors, not real strikes. Points are scored through contact, not destruction. This is more than just play. It's strategy, creativity, and competition packed into one sleek robot. Whether you're training for victory or tweaking your bot for better performance, Ganker keeps the action going. At $400, it's a serious toy for serious fun. Build, battle, and level up. Ganker's bringing robot wars to your living room. This isn't a toy, it's engineering in motion. Meet the Bone Sterling Peugeot AP172, a masterpiece built not for play, but for admiration. Modeled after the iconic 1920s Peugeot Quadrolet, this collectible isn't controlled by a remote. It's powered by a real, miniature 4-cylinder Stirling engine. No batteries, no wires, just pure mechanical brilliance. Once fired up, the engine drives the rear wheels for about 10 minutes before needing a cool down, just like a real machine. Crafted from aluminum, with stainless steel screws and brass detailing on the wheels, grille, and headlights, every piece screams craftsmanship. And here's the kicker: you build it yourself. This car arrives as a kit, offering 3 hours of immersive assembly that's as rewarding as the finished model itself. This isn't just a nod to vintage design, it's a tribute to mechanical art. For collectors, tinkerers, and anyone who loves precision, the AP172 is proof that some toys are made to be admired, not outgrown. Meet the robo-pet that eats with its tongue, literally. If your kid's begging for a pet but isn't quite ready for the responsibility, the Silverlit Robo-Chameleon might be the perfect starter. This colorful robot looks like a chameleon and acts like one too. It changes the color of its back and crest to match its surroundings, adding a fun splash of personality. But the real star of the show? Its extendable tongue that can snatch up magnetic tokens, turning snack time into playtime. Easy to control and endlessly entertaining, the Robo-Chameleon is more than just a toy. It introduces kids to basic robotics in a playful, hands-on way, all while keeping them engaged and smiling. At just $40, it's an affordable way to bring home a quirky, low-maintenance pet that never needs feeding, unless it's gobbling up tokens. Sometimes the coolest companions are the ones that come to life at the push of a button. This RC car doesn't follow the rules, it makes its own path. Meet PowerTreads, the off-road rebel of remote-control toys. While most RC cars freeze at the sight of carpet, grass, or uneven ground, PowerTreads keeps rolling, anywhere you take it. Its bold tread design gives it insane grip and versatility, letting it cruise over books, stairs, couches, and even gravel like it's nothing. No flat floor? No problem. That's the thrill of PowerTreads. It's not just about speed, it's about agility. You can build wild obstacle courses, send it through homemade ramps, and challenge it to beat your wildest routes. And at just $30, it's one of the most fun ways to push the limits without breaking the bank. PowerTreads doesn't stop for terrain. It dares you to create it. Crashing into furniture is a thing of the past. This RC car was built to bounce. Meet the Air Hogs Stunt Shot, the wild little vehicle with giant foam wheels that let it pull off flips, jumps, and rolls, all without a single scratch. Its oversized, ultra-soft tires aren't just for show. They absorb shocks, roll over obstacles, and keep your furniture, walls, and toes perfectly safe. Whether it's hardwood, carpet, or a tabletop, Stunt Shot handles it with ease. Perfect for indoor adventures, it zips into tight spaces, climbs over clutter, and rebounds off walls like it's made of rubber. No bumps, no bruises, just non-stop fun. And the best part? It's only $25. Air Hogs Stunt Shot proves you don't need to go outside to drive wild.
Ever dreamed of piloting a chopper that feels almost real? Meet the Flywing Bell UH-1V. A GPS-powered RC helicopter that blurs the line between toy and tech marvel. With 6 channels and cutting-edge GPS stabilization, this beast offers precise, hands-free hovering from every direction. It's not just stable, it's smart. Thanks to features like BEI positioning and a top-tier H1 flight controller, you can toggle between GPS, 3D, and semi-automatic flight modes with ease. Power? It's got plenty. A dual brushless motor setup, including a 358 class main motor and 60 AESC, delivers reliable thrust and smooth control. The craftsmanship stands out too. A 750mm fuselage, 810mm rotor span, clear windshield, and realistic exhaust make this model a visual stunner. And when you're done flying, one button return and low battery auto return bring it back safely. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, this chopper offers high-performance flight without the learning curve. The Flywing Bell L1V isn't just an RC helicopter. It's the future of realistic, next-level flying. Ready for takeoff? This plane doesn't just fly, it performs like a stunt champion. The Aero's Edge 540, 1,300mm PNP, is a $280 aerobatic beast built for serious 3D maneuvers. Modeled after the high-performance ZCO Edge 540, famous at airshows and competitions, it's designed to thrill, flip, and twist with precision. Its bold orange color isn't just for style, it boosts visibility for better orientation during complex stunts. Powered by a 4,250 910 kV motor and a 60 AESC, it delivers massive thrust for rolls, loops, and inverted flying. With a 0-degree wing angle and large control surfaces, every movement is sharp and responsive. Need more control? The built-in Vector Gyro system helps keep things stable, giving pilots added confidence in the air. It's made for intermediate to advanced flyers who crave excitement and challenge. This isn't just flying, it's freestyle in the sky. Meet the world's first jet fighter, shrunken down and ready to fly. The E-Flite UMXM 262 is a $200 ultra-micro-jet that packs history, speed, and control into a palm-sized replica. Straight out of the box, it's ready to take off and deliver thrilling performance. Powered by dual 30mm EDF motors and compatible with 3S batteries from 600 to 850 mAh, it offers fast, agile flights with surprisingly long airtime. AS3X stabilization and optional Safe Select tech keep it smooth and beginner-friendly, even in tighter flying spots. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for backyards, parks, or indoor arenas. With fixed landing gear for easy takeoffs and landings, it's as accessible as it is fun. Whether you're a history buff, a casual flyer, or chasing speed in small spaces, this jet delivers. Iconic design, modern power, all in the palm of your hand.